Now, when you are first starting, you're going to have a wizard in front of you. And if you want to create your first product or course, you can use the wizard, which you will find here, or you can go to this area and click the Products button. Once you're in the Products area, you can then click Create a Product. You can create a digital product, a physical product, or a product bundle. Once you've done that, you can then click Create Product. You can decide on the kind of product you're going to create, a one-time price, or you can set up a subscription product. We're going to set up a one-time payment. You are then going to identify the price with a name. If the product has a cost associated with it, you can write in that cost here in this area. You have an optional field here where you can write in a compare at amount. Once you've done that, you can then click Create a Price. You can then upload your product image. If you don't have an image, you can upload your image from your hard drive. You can also grab images from these areas that ClickFunnels gives you. We are going to upload an image from this area. Once the image is uploaded, you can then select the image. And the image will then be in place for your product. If your product has a shopkeeping unit identification number available, you can write it in here. As you make changes, you'll need to click Update Product. It's at this point that you can add in what you're going to deliver to the customer. So what we're going to do is stop the video here, and we're going to pick it up from creating the assets for our customer to access when they make the purchase. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.